Want more revenue without more work? Add this simple upsell. If you're already selling a digital product inside of ThriveCart, you could be increasing your cart value in just minutes by adding an upsell. And the best part is you don't have to have a complicated funnel to do it. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a ThriveCart upsell that is beginner friendly. So before we jump into the tech, I want to quickly talk about what an upsell actually is. So an upsell is an additional offer that your customer sees right after they purchase your main product or before checkout. So instead of creating more products and doing more marketing, you are simply offering a complimentary product at checkout. This is one of the easiest ways to increase revenue without increasing your workload, especially if you're selling templates, courses, or digital resources. So to do this inside of ThriveCart, we're going to log into ThriveCart. You'll go to your dashboard, and then we're going to go to products right here. Next, inside of your products, we're going to click on upsells, and we're going to create our first upsell. We're going to be doing a digital product for this example here. So we're going to set this up like we would any other digital product. We're going to add in the product name, choose the details, add in the pricing, and all of that detail here. So for this example, let's making this a marketing template. We're going to add a label inside here, marketing template. Maybe this one is a part of a funnel, so we can add that this is a part of a funnel template. We're going to go to next. We're going to add in the pricing. Maybe this is $19. Next. No tracking, no affiliates. And then we have the fulfillment, so you can add your product name. So we'll add all of the success page link information here that the customer will see, and then you can add any automations or details there. You can keep this super simple. You want to make sure that your upsell actually is complementing the main offer. So it's something that should enhance the main purchase, not something that completely is random or non-associated with the product. So once this is all filled out, we're going to go ahead and save our product. And now we officially have our upsell product. Now that the upsell product exists, we're going to attach it to the main product people are actually buying first. So we're going to go back to the products, and we're going to choose the product to add to the upsell to the checkout. So you're going to go inside the product that you want to add the upsell to. You're going to go to the checkout, and you're going to add that to the checkout. Now that you're inside of the checkout, we want to make sure that we add the upsell and the flow is correct. So we want to ensure that when someone purchases the product, they are immediately shown the upsell. So we're going to go up here to our pages inside of this checkout, and we're going to add a funnel item. This is where you're going to choose the upsell. So we're going to choose the marketing templates that we created. We're going to click next. And then it's going to give you an option to customize your own page or design a page with ThriveCart. We'll just keep it simple and continue with ThriveCart. You can add replacement for future previous purchases. And then we're going to click to add upsell. This is where you can update all of the copy to change to direct talking about your upsell. So you can see I added in some text like grab the marketing template on sale now, save today when you grab your template. You can add in videos, you can add in mockups, you can add in graphics, you can add in details. You can really build out these upsell customized pages here. And we want to make sure that after the cart that they get this upsell and then they go to the success page. So that way they're in the right flow. So you'll save your changes, and once everything is connected and saved, your checkout will have the upsell installed. I wanted to show you some of the capabilities that are inside of ThriveCart when you customize the pages. We have a few upsells connected to this offer here that was customized for the KS brand that you can see how they can look. So here's one example. Here is another example. I really love how this one turned out with the urgency all around in the design. Here's another example. Love the mock-ups, really eye-catching. This one is really fun as well. So you can see some of the capabilities in design side that is available inside of ThriveCart to customize and elevate these checkout pages. So just to recap, the correct beginner process is you go to the products, you create your upsell on its own, and then you go to your main product, you go to the checkout, you add that upsell on the checkout, make sure it's all connected and the checkout flow is correct. And that's it. It's not a complicated funnel. There's no builder required on the back end. It's super simple inside of ThriveCart. One quick tip, your upsell, as I mentioned before, should always match the main product. So for example, if you're selling a course, you could upsell a template. If you're selling a template, you could upsell a bundle or a bonus pack. The alignment equals higher conversion and smoother customer experience. So it's really important there. And if you'd rather not set all of this up yourself, our team can help build your funnels and customize the ThriveCart checkouts for you. Similar to what we have here, it can be on brand for you. So just click the link below, apply to work with our team, and we'll map out the best upsell flow for your funnel and handle the tech for you. Thanks.